What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Get ready, here we go. 1971 Camaro. I mean, just absolutely beautiful, built from head to toe. This was a sub-frame off car. It's got the LSX engine in here. Great set of headers, less than 2,000 miles on this build with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. I mean, just amazing paint. Four-wheel disc brakes all the way around, aluminum radiator, 12-bolt posi with a 373 gear. Wait till you check this thing out. I mean, it's just beautiful. Pearl green metallic with black stripes painted in, sitting on 17-inch custom wheels and tires with a lot of tread. Let me get off this for a little bit so you can see it. We're gonna do a little walk around, and it makes my job great just to look at some of these cars. I mean, this thing is just amazing. Paint is just dead drop. I give it close to a 10 because I'm sure I'll find an imperfection somewhere. This is a show car. Definitely a show car. Come on now. That's nice. This thing is quick, and I mean quick. I just drove it. It's just unbelievably wicked. Front bumper chrome, excellent condition. All your lights in chrome and grille and badging, excellent. Valance on the bottom, just great. Look at how this hood lines up. No stories. Black painted on stripe. Front fender, excellent condition. Slotted wheels, discs, excuse me, inside there to stop this bad boy. Alex badging, doors line up great. Sport mirror, all your chrome and glass is excellent condition. Roof line, excellent. Driver's door lines up beautifully to the rear quarter. Paint is just shining. I do not find any imperfections yet. Rear quarter's in great shape. All your lights are intact. Your rear glass, passenger glass window, and driver glass window, excellent. No stories. Trunk lines up well. All your chrome around there is good. Rear fin is on tight. Getting badged with the LSX. Rear chrome bumper, chrome around the lights. Everything is excellent. Get a little shot underneath too. Look at this thing. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Rear quarter here on passenger side is good. I don't find anything. Roof is good. Look, it just lines up the way it should. Sport mirror on this side. Front fender. Great. Oh, I found something. Oh, that's just a little water. Okay, take a look underneath. Is that clean enough for you? Great sounding exhaust with the headers. Just amazing car. Let me show you the back brakes are slotted. Stop that sucker. This thing drove so great. Let's check out inside. Look how it lines up. A lot of attention on this build. All your weather strippings are good. Door panels great. No rust anywhere to be found. I don't know if I need to tell you that, but I should. All your welds are the way they should. Door sills. Inside the crevice. Paintwork is just amazing. Rear deck is great. Headliner. Dome light working. Seat belts. All fresh, fresh, fresh. Carpets are great. Dash pad. Sun visors. I'll just start it real quick so you can see the back. All digitals. Stage 1 gauges, the whole dashboard. Custom radio. Just nice. Fire it up again. Aluminum radiator with a dual fan system. Keep this baby nice and cool. All your hoses and belts inside super clean, done right. Listen to it again. This thing is angry. Beautiful, beautiful car. You guys and gals are looking to get some financing done with us, go directly to my website at mgmclassiccars.com if you're a 640 to a 739. Up to 84 months, minimum down 10%. We'll get it called in for you. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down. Again, 84 months, great rates, approval within 24 hours or less. If you need shipping anywhere in the United States, enclosed or open, bonded and insured, please text me your zip code or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We've got over 120 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. We post all the photos and pictures online daily, and description and pricing. That's at mgmclassiccars.com. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. by appointment only. You could reach me again at 773-600-0919, and I'll get you in. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook at Tri-State Auto Wholesalers, MGM Classic Cars. You'll be seeing more of me. Keep watching our videos. Have a great day.